Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you control the exact Google account tied to AdSense. That avoids lost access later. Once logged in, download your payments report and any tax forms because closing removes easy access to past earnings. Next, decide whether you need a full closure versus simply disabling ads. Closing stops future payments and reporting, whereas removing ad units only stops serving ads. Make that decision now, and then proceed to the AdSense account settings to begin closure. Once ready, navigate to Account, then Account Information, and choose Close Account. Read each consequences note because AdSense outlines final payment rules. Make sure any pending payments meet the payment threshold and that no holds or policy issues exist. Unresolved items can delay or cancel final payouts. If Google requests identity verification, comply promptly with Clear ID to avoid rejection. Confirm you want closure by acknowledging the final payment timeline and data after you submit the closure request. Watch your email for confirmation and the final payment notice. That message includes timing and any remaining actions. Immediately remove AdSense ad code from your sites and apps to prevent more impressions or policy flags. If the request is rejected or final payment doesn't arrive, check account alerts for holds, resolve policy violations, and use the AdSense help options to appeal. If identity verification or a payment problem caused failure, fix that specific issue and resubmit closure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.